Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be touching my hair a lot. No, I'm gonna try not to. It's just, you know, straightened. I've been wearing it like, okay, so I've been wearing it curly, like wavy for a while now. Now that it's straight, I just gotta feel like I gotta touch it all the time. It's annoying, I'm sorry. Today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get followers on Poshmark. All my videos are about Poshmark now. Do you guys like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you feel? Ooh. Hold on. Okay, so I got forehead wrinkles, but this guy right here, this wrinkle right here, ooh, he's getting intense. He is getting intense. See, what if I just a little bit, just go, eh? Did you see my eyebrows? Just a little bit, just go, been thinking about getting Botox. Ugh. I don't know. And I say ugh, cause I've always been like, love yourself, love the way you are, you're beautiful the way you are. But, man, wrinkles. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get more followers on Poshmark. Okay, I have some notes here, so I'm gonna be referring to my cellular device to tell you guys where the hell did they go? Okay, there it is. Whew, thought I lost it, then I was gonna have to X this video. Okay, how to get, thought someone was knocking at my door. Okay, how to get followers on Poshmark. Okay, these are just things that I do to get people to follow me. The more followers you have, the more sales you probably will have. It's just kind of like a, just kind of goes hand in hand. It wasn't until I started following a lot of people that I started noticing consistent daily, like multiple daily sales. The first thing you can do to get more followers is to share your stuff. That's a given, but also share other people's stuff too. That isn't really as a high priority. So like here's like sharing your stuff, and this is like, well, right here. This is like sharing other people's stuff. So definitely prioritize sharing your stuff first, but to get followers, share other people's things. Because people will see that you share their stuff, and then they'll be like, oh, super cool, I'm gonna follow this person, and maybe I'll share their stuff too. Next, host a Poshmark party, an in-app party. You will get a shit ton of followers. One of my PFFs, Posh Friend Forever, she just hosted a Posh party last week, I think it was. She got 9,000, 3 zeros, new followers just from hosting that one party. Like, it's crazy. When you host a party, people like flock to you. You get a lot of action in your closet, and a lot of people will follow you. So that isn't really like in your control so much as the other things that I'm mentioning in this video. When you apply to host a Poshmark party, it does take them, sometimes it takes them like a couple months to get back to you because of the sheer volume of people applying to host parties. So that one, you know, you don't really have control over as to like when it happens, but when it does happen, oh, the followers, like seriously, it's craziness. All right, next. Okay, so what I like to do is we're gonna go to the app right here. What I like to do, sorry, I'm in a mood today. Okay, so we're gonna go tap on the little person up here with the plus sign. And first thing we're gonna do, I've talked about this in a video before. I just cracked my knuckle. First thing we're gonna do is go to new people. Okay? And then we're gonna have two options. We're gonna have fresh closets and just joined. You wanna go to both of those sections and follow all of these people. So like follow. I just followed 10 people, and that took what, like 5 seconds? We're on fresh closets right now. So then we're gonna go to just joined, and we're gonna follow. I think I think I'm gonna come out with an album. So far we got 2 tracks on the album. We'll call this Follow. That song would be called Follow. And then I have one called, what should that one be called? I'm a Boss Babe. I think that's what it's gonna be called. If you guys wanna hear a little sample of it, you should go watch my, one of my newest videos. It was like an anti-MLM video. If you wanna hear that fire hook, it's a bop, guys, seriously. I'll link that down below. You should check it out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna come up with an album. So these people just joined. Obviously, they just joined Poshmark, so you know they're probably active on here. Fresh Closets, again, they, oh look, three new people since I just followed those 10 people. So Fresh Closets are people who literally just listed something in their closet. Like Rena just listed something 8 minutes ago. So, you know, she's probably active. Rena, girl, I followed you, follow me. Okay, and then what else I like to do, I go to, well, you know, you could go to all of these too. All right, so we're gonna talk about, you can't see my phone, but just follow along on your phone. Get your phone out, just follow along. So another option here is my college. So I don't have a college listed on here, but if you do, you know, you can enter into college and you can follow people that go to your college. Little Cardi B action. Backing up, I'm telling you to follow people because most likely people will follow you back. So I didn't mention that, did I? Okay, so yeah, there's my college and then there's my city. Go to the, hello? My youngest is knocking on the door. Tap on the arrows here and go to active sellers and it'll show you people who are, she's yelling my name, do you hear that? It'll show you people that are active on the app. So like this person right here, Emma was last active 16 minutes ago. And then you also can go to my brands and it'll bring up all of the brands that you follow. You can follow brands on here. So yeah, I like to go to this. Let's just go to American Eagle. Guys, can I just say, American Eagle jeans, like I've been sleeping on them. They are the most comfortable jeans ever. Ever since I started thrifting, I've bought so many American Eagle jeans. They're plentiful. They're you can find them aplenty. They're so friggin' comfortable. Like I am shocked. Where were we? Oh yeah, I was talking about American Eagle jeans and how amazing they are. By the way, I have some for sale in my closet. They're not my size. That's why they're for sale in my closet. If they were my size, I'd probably keep them because you guys didn't tell me how my lash is falling off. Oh my goodness, I look a hot mess. What time is it? It's 4:10 in the afternoon, so it's been a day. All right, so what were we saying? This video is all over the place, but this is real life. This is real life. Real life. That's another song. Real life. It's gonna be on the album. Okay, so I showed you guys my brands. Okay, and then this is the little Easter egg. This is what I've started doing, although some people might do this already, but I just started doing this and I'm like, why haven't I thought of doing this before? Okay, so we're gonna go to who do I like here on the Poshmark app? Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go to Empty Hanger, who is Jenna. She is like Poshmark goals. She has a YouTube channel too. I'll link her down below. She makes very good content on YouTube. But we're gonna go to her closet, okay? We're on Jenna's closet right now. And we're gonna go to About at the top here. Maybe if it lets me, there we go. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna look at her love notes. We're gonna, you know, read the love notes. Yeah, just take a peek at the love notes. And then we're gonna tap on somebody's closet that recently left a love note. Gracie left a comment on March 1st. So we're gonna go to her closet. I think I already did this. Yeah, I'm already following her. So yeah, go to her closet and follow her. And then I'm just gonna go down. Actually, I think I did this like last night. Yeah, okay. Shouldn't have used Jenna as an example because I definitely did this last night. But basically just go to somebody's closet, go to their love notes and follow people that have recently left love notes because they've recently purchased something. Maybe they'll purchase again. That's kind of like a 2-in-1 actually. Maybe you can get them to follow you and maybe they'll purchase from you too. You know, because they're like an active buyer, obviously, because they just bought something and left a love note. That's my little trick, my little hidden Easter egg, even though it's probably not hidden. You guys probably already do that. And you guys are like, Vanessa, old news, I already do this. Come on, give me something else. Is anyone saying that right now? There's gotta be someone saying that. I'm sorry, okay? Thought it was a good thing to share with you guys. All right, I'm in a mood. I'm to the point where I'm like kind of annoying myself right now. Here we go with the hair touching again. My hair hasn't been this long in a long time. So I'm kind of like, yeah, although we do need to trim these ends. Whoop, whoop. Give a little trimmy trim. Actually, I might do that tonight. Okay, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Those are just some ways to get people to follow you. If you follow people, they'll probably follow you. That's one thing I say often. Follow as many people as you can. You guys like my thrifted. I've been really into these type of sweatshirts lately, like sweatshirts with like city names. We got reppin' Cape Cod here. Ooh, did you guys hear? Hold up. Skirt. There's a confirmed case of corona frickin' virus in New Hampshire. New Hampshire. I was in New Hampshire this weekend. I know it's called New Hampshire, I know. Yeah, it's in like Grafton County, which is like north, never eat shredded wheat, northwest. So it's a little ways away from me, but still very close to home. Not liking it. Saw this thing, this might piss some people off, but I saw this thing on the Facebook, and it said, if there was a vaccine for coronavirus, half of you guys wouldn't get it anyway, so wash your hands and be quiet. Which is true. But we're not getting into that debate on here. Oh, hell no. I'm gonna go. I hope this video was helpful. I will link my Poshmark closet down below. I haven't decided if I'm putting this in the closet yet. I don't know. This is just like, this is what I live in, you guys. Like these big, comfy, cozy sweatshirts. They're just great. Okay. What else do I want to say? Oh, the huge. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KeepinItRad and you'll get a $10 credit. And I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.